Hey,
Jesus!
stay there. Don't move.
Please, please, please.
Don't move.
Hello?
Yeah,
Okay, who is this?
this is John.
I can hear you.
Yeah, the guy that I've been chatting with, the guy that met you through Hangout app. Yes,
Oh, okay.
what you do for me now? Uh, just book Uber from Usetu to my side. There is like 30 minutes drive, so I'll take care of the bill when you come. Don't worry, whatever that you want, I'm equal to the task. Forget about the financial involvement. I'll do all of that. Don't worry, you'll not regret meeting me.
Well, as long as you're paying my bills, I don't have a problem with that. No problem.
Whatever that you want, I'm equal to the task. Forget about the financial involvement. I'll do all of that. Don't worry, you'll not regret meeting me.
Okay, then send me the location.
Yeah, I'll send you the address right away.
All right.
So please, I'm waiting. I will not want you to disappoint. See you there.
All right.
Yeah, babe, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. You look good to yourself.
I'm happy because you look beautiful physically even than what I saw.
Oh, really?
Honestly,
Oh, I'm blushing. Thank you.
most ladies of our time are using AI picture now on their profile. So when you see them, most times you'll be disappointed. I'm happy that your real self and the beauty of the Lord is what you have put on the app. Action. So thank you for being real.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So just like I was telling you on phone, action. So first of all, I want to appreciate your understanding for responding immediately, even without sending TP to you. So just like I promised you, you will not regret meeting John. Uh, so you will live here with a testimony to tell your friends that
Mhm.
John is the guy to be with.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, so please excuse me. Let me put one or two things together inside. I'll soon be with you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hey,
Jesus!
stay there. Don't move.
Please, please, please.
Calm down. Don't move. Keep
Mr. John!
quiet. Now, else I'll turn you into a goat. Sit.
You don't hurt me.
Hey, young go.
Mr.
Over
John! Mr.
now.
John!
Sky.
Please, I beg you. I beg you, please.
Just
Please,
keep
please, please,
quiet.
please.
It is
Please,
time.
please, please, please. Don't hurt me. Please, please.
My
I
son, you
beg
have
you.
done well.
Please, please. Please don't hurt me.
Obatala, Yongo, Ogu, come now.
Jesus,
It's
Jesus,
time.
please, please,
Yes,
please,
this is the
please, I
right
beg you.
time.
Please, 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 please.
Yeah. Yes, it is done. The gods are happy.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this short movie. This movie is not just for entertainment, but just to teach our young ladies that you shouldn't go out with any man that you do not know. In the video, you can see that I met her on the app, called her. She left a distance place to come and visit me, and she can see what she met. A lot of Nigerians lady have wasted their life in this way. Please be careful. Be careful. Now that December is coming, guys are not smiling. December is by the corner and guys are not smiling. Girls, wise up. Thank you.